Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pharmac with me। आज हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं न्यू टॉपिक दैट इज फेनिटोइन। सो फेनिटोइन क्या है? इट इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड एंटी एपिलेप्टिक ड्रग। ओके, एंड उसका जो प्रोड्रग फॉर्म है दैट इज फॉस्फेनिटोइन। ओके, फॉस्फेनिटोइन जो है वो वाटर सोल्यूबल है। एंड कैसे एडमिनिस्टर करेंगे उसको बॉडी में? हम लोग एडमिनिस्टर करने वाले हैं उसको पैरेंटेरली, दैट इज इंट्रावेनस और इंट्रामस्कुलर। Okay, and it is used for the acute attack of seizures that is in status epilepticus। ठीक है, एंड जब हम लोग फॉस्फेनिटोइन अपने बॉडी में एडमिनिस्टर करेंगे, इट शुड बी एडमिनिस्टर्ड स्लोली एंड इंट्रावेनस। ओके, सो इट शुड बी गिवन बाय स्लो इंट्रावेनस इन्फ्यूजन, बिकॉज अगर हम लोग उसको हाई डोज में देते हैं या फिर फास्ट में देते हैं तो इट कैन लीड टू अरिथमिया, कार्डियोवैस्कुलर कोलैप्स एंड इट मे लीड टू कोमा। ओके, सो इट शुड बी गिवन बाय स्लो इंट्रावेनस इन्फ्यूजन। उसके बाद हम लोग देखते हैं उसका मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन। इट एक्ट्स बाय ब्लॉकिंग द सोडियम channels, it blocks the sodium channels and inactivates them। Okay, and what are the uses of phenytoin? Basically it is used to treat GTCS, that is generalized tonic-clonic seizures, and for the partial seizures it is anti-arrhythmic drug that belongs to class 1B, used for the treatment of digitalis induced arrhythmia। digitalis क्या है? It's a drug। Okay, then it is also used, that is the latest innovation, that is it enhances the wound healing। This is the latest use of phenytoin, that it enhances the wound healing। After that it follows saturation kinetics। What is saturation kinetics? That the drugs at lower doses they show first order kinetics, while at higher doses they follow zero order kinetics। So that is saturation kinetics, and this is shown by our phenytoin। After that, at toxic doses, the following symptoms are seen, that is adverse drug reactions of phenytoin, and those are cerebellar symptoms like ataxia, vertigo, nystagmus, diplopia। Okay, so these are the adverse drug reactions seen at toxic doses। Then at chronic doses, that is for a delayed period। Okay, like if I am taking phenytoin for a longer duration, the following symptoms can be seen, that is number one is gingival hyperplasia, that is gum hypertrophy and hyperplasia। Okay, and it results due to overexpression of platelet derived growth factor, that is PDGF। Okay, and this one regresses, that is it stops after discontinuation of phenytoin। जब हम लोग phenytoin लेना बंद करेंगे तो इसका जो symptoms है वो भी stop हो जाएंगे, that is it regresses। Okay, second is hirsutism। What is hirsutism? Excessive growth of facial hairs in females, that is hirsutism। Number 3 coarsening of facial features। facial features कैसे होंगे? एकदम coarse होंगे। Next is megaloblastic anemia। it is treated with the use of folic acid। okay, so megaloblastic anemia में क्या होता है? deficiency of folic acid होती है ना, so it is treated with the folic acid। next symptom that is seen is vitamin D deficiency, and that causes rickets or osteomalacia। okay, because of vitamin D deficiency। next vitamin K deficiency causes clotting diseases or delayed clotting। okay, उसके बाद hyperglycemia, it is caused due to inhibition of insulin release। okay, insulin release जो है वो inhibit होता है because of phenytoin, and that causes hyperglycemia, that is increased blood sugar level। वही phenytoin toxicity in pregnant mother, it shows teratogenic effect, that is it causes a very important syndrome, that is fetal hydantoin syndrome। okay, what is fetal hydantoin syndrome? it causes hypoplastic phalanges। okay, phalanges जो है जो digits है those are hypoplastic। cleft lip, cleft palate and microcephaly। okay, lip में cleft आएगा, palate में cleft आएगा, and one more symptom that shows is microcephaly। then there's a mnemonic to remember adverse effects of phenytoin, that is hot malaika। okay, the mnemonic is hot malika or malaika। okay, so H stands for hirsutism or hypertrophy of gums, O stands for osteomalacia, T for teratogenicity, that is fetal hydantoin syndrome, M stands for megaloblastic anemia, A stands for ataxia, nystagmus, vertigo, diplopia, L stands for lymphadenopathy, that is lymphadenopathy, then I stands for inhibits insulin release, जैसे हम लोगों ने ऊपर देखा था, it causes hyperglycemia, increased blood sugar levels। then K stands for vitamin K deficiency, A stands for arrhythmia। एंड बाई के और क्या क्या रखा था हम लोगों ने एडवर्स रिएक्शन, इट वाज विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी, है ना, एंड यू कैन ऐड दोस. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर फेनेटोइन. थैंक यू, हैव अ ग्रेट डे.